Hey, this is Clemens with the Romero Ruas group at Berkshire Hathaway, and we're here doing an open house right now, but it's at 5435 Caminito Geraldo. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,611 square feet. It's listed for $1,650,000, so $1,650,000. Has great ocean views to whitewater views. You got Mission Bay and you have downtown. You can see the fireworks from SeaWorld at night. And anyway, we wanted to show you the new virtual tour we have for this house. You can basically pan and go anywhere you want in the house to check it out. And check it out after this video. You can go to www.caminitogeraldo.com. We'll have it written down so you can go to that webpage. Anyway, check it out and